are here today. We're actually following one of the crews. We've got one of our crew out here that is doing a clean out. We're going to just check out, see what's involved with this clean out. And so when we want to pump down a pond and power wash, and we actually want to strip all that algae off, it had an overgrowth. And so this pond hasn't been cleaned out in probably 4 years. About roughly 4 years since we built it. Oh, the other thing that we're also looking at doing is we're going to be putting in plants, and so just a little bit of plants. We're going to update the wetland area and upgrading the plant life within the wetland. We're gonna get this pond back into shape. When it comes to the wetland, I was gonna show you guys, basically, we're gonna take out the ones that are overgrown. We're cutting those back, pulling them out, and then we're gonna put in some different types of wetland plants. And so this is basically the filter that we want to promote for this pond. And so this filter does a great job of, basically getting a lot of the excess waste nutrients that's being built up into the pond. We're going to go over to True Pump. True Pump's located in just south of downtown area, over on Broadway. Wonderful people to work with. They're exceptional. They know their stuff, and they have been our distributor for many years. So they're fantastic. So we're actually on my way down there, and when we get down there, we'll take a look and see what they got. We got Pickle and Rush, always a favorite. Little purple flowers, beautiful. We got some mare's tail. Mare's tail is soft and fuzzy. Ooh, we got miniature spearwort. So right now we're going to be replanting parts of this wetland. This one I've got a cardinal flower, so I'm going to be putting a wide variety within this wetland. 12, 14-inch type spacings. So we're going to be scattering it all throughout here within the wetland, and then also within the waterfall area.